So that is just like the basics of 3D, your foundation, your brightener, your contour, and then your lip and cheek. But if we look at some of the other fun things you can do with Seint makeup, the first one is bronzer. So again, taking that 3D brush, or if you have the blush and bronzer brush or a brush that you prefer, dip the pointier end, the one we just did our contour with, into the bronzer. All right, so up on your forehead, you did your contour up here. So I would recommend doing your bronzer a little bit below where you did your contour. You don't need your bronzer to go all the way up to your hairline. And the reason for that is we really just want contour to sculpt our face, but we want bronzer to just brighten up our face right where the sun would bronze us. So if you think about it, if you stand outside in the sun, maybe you're at your kid's soccer game or something like that, and the sun hits your face and you get a sunburn, it turns into a tan, where did you get burnt? You get burnt up on the top of your forehead, you get burnt on top of your cheeks, you get burnt on the bridge of your nose, right? And that's pretty much it. If you get burnt anywhere else, you can absolutely add some. Like sometimes I'll add bronzer down here on my chin. But yeah, you want the bronzer just to be wherever the sun would naturally bronze you. So the nice thing about this being cream also is that it just blends out like a dream. But if you really want a flawless finish, you can go back in with this fluffy side and you can just kind of like dot over that, and that just kind of like marries together all the products that you already had with your bronzer that you just put down. Next up, I have my glossier lip and cheek down here. Remember, in my other palette, I have the matte lip and cheek. That's the one I recommend for your cheeks. But if you have a similar color and you want to just put it on your lips, or if you put that matte color on your lips, you just want a little bit of gloss, grab some of that gloss and put it on your lips. You can also use this for your cheeks. I just don't prefer to put the gloss on my cheeks. I think it has less color payoff and I don't think it lasts as long. But if you like it, more power to you, boo-boo. Next one is Cream Illuminator. Now this is my favorite cream illuminator. This is Angel, but I often recommend either Angel or Honey or Pearl. So we get a little bit of Angel, and you're going to run it on top of your cheekbone. You can run it down your nose. You can run it on your brow bone. You can put it on your Cupid's bow. And if there's anywhere else that you just want a little bit of extra like lit from within shine, throw it there. Same thing with powder highlighter. Some people love that strobe bright highlight look. I am not one of those people, so I use this one, which is Photoshop. It's a pink powder illuminator. I use it as eyeshadow, like all the time. But you can also put that here on the top of your cheekbone. You can put it here on your brow bone. You can put it down your nose. Again, wherever, Cupid's bow, wherever you want a little bit more shine. Fun little extra tip. I will use these two cream products, this cream bronzer or my cream illuminator, as an eyeshadow base for powders to go onto so that they stick a little bit better. At this point, you have finished up with your cream products. I hope you are loving them. Again, if I picked anything for you, or if you picked your own color or something like that and it doesn't look right, maybe it's too orange or you don't like how it's covering, please let me know. You can email me lifewithlaurenlucky@gmail.com and I am happy to help you troubleshoot. So no risk, so excited for you. Please let me know if you have any questions.